Did you know how beneficial cherries can be for your health? Yes, those small, vibrant, and succulent fruits are actually powerhouses of nutrients that can provide you with a variety of health benefits. Today, we are going to delve into the 7 powerful reasons why you should consider eating cherries every day. Let's begin with the first reason. Cherries are packed with antioxidants. But what are antioxidants, you may ask? Well, these are substances that help protect your cells against free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells in your body. Free radicals are a common byproduct of everyday bodily processes like breathing and digesting food, but they can also come from exposure to harmful things like tobacco smoke and radiation. Antioxidants, like those found in cherries, help to neutralize these free radicals, thereby contributing to your overall health and well-being. So, the first reason to eat cherries every day is their impressive antioxidant content. Moving on to the second reason, cherries are a great source of dietary fiber. Now, why is fiber important, you ask? Well, it plays a crucial role in maintaining our digestive health, helping our bodies effectively break down food and absorb nutrients. Plus, it can also aid in weight management. How? By promoting a feeling of fullness, it can prevent overeating, supporting healthy weight loss efforts. But the benefits of cherries don't stop there. Let's transition seamlessly to the third reason. Did you know that cherries can help improve your sleep quality? That's right. These little red fruits contain a good amount of natural melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep cycle. So, if you're tossing and turning at night, a handful of cherries might just be the remedy you need. This makes cherries a perfect snack for those struggling with sleep issues. The fourth reason to consider incorporating cherries into your diet is their potential to reduce inflammation. Cherries, particularly tart ones, are like little powerhouses of anti-inflammatory compounds. Various studies suggest that these delicious fruits can help combat inflammation in your body. This is primarily due to the presence of anthocyanins, a type of plant compound that has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Now let's glide into our fifth reason, which is all about heart health. Cherries are rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in heart rate and blood pressure control. Additionally, they contain polyphenols, which are known to reduce blood pressure and lower cholesterol levels. These nutrients work together to provide a heart-healthy package. So, whether you're popping them as a snack, blending them into a smoothie, or baking them into a pie, cherries offer a multitude of health benefits. Eating cherries can therefore be a tasty way to support your heart. The sixth reason to eat cherries every day is their potential to boost exercise recovery. Thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, cherries can potentially expedite muscle recovery following a workout. This is because antioxidants work to combat the oxidative stress that occurs during physical exertion, while the anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce muscle soreness and inflammation. Now, let's move on to our final reason. Cherries can help control blood sugar levels. This makes them an excellent choice of fruit for those with or at risk for diabetes. Cherries have a lower glycemic index than many other fruits, meaning they cause a slower rise in blood sugar levels and can help maintain stable blood glucose. So, there you have it, 7 powerful reasons to eat cherries every day. They're packed with antioxidants, high in dietary fiber, can improve sleep, reduce inflammation, support heart health, boost exercise recovery, and help control blood sugar levels. Incorporate these tasty fruits into your diet and reap their numerous health benefits.